And now we have this thing. It's not an induction. Oh, and it's sticky. No more. And now you take that big thing off. You put it at the side of the table so it won't fall. And this hole will be filled with this color. It's the color of spaghetti. It's color yellow. This fell up, and then you put and stick, and after that, make sure it doesn't fall up. And now you press it on the table.
Ang hinala ni Dora ay gusto mo lang siyang balikan para siyang bukod. Yung anak kong isa, ilang taon na?
I think that's enough. It hurts.
Ano ang mga pinagsisisi?
Good. Now you take the sauce. I have no cheese.
So ngayon, gusto mong humingi ng tawad. Alam mo, yung humingi ng tawad, okay, pagawa.
Yes. And now I take the cheese.
Bakit nga?
Mahal ko po siya.
Nakikita mo ba yung mga apo mo sa kanya?
Opo.
Baka naman nangungulila ka lang, di ba?
Mahal ko po siya.
Ay,
Nilamigay mo ako pa.
anong nararamdaman mo, Dora? Pag sinasabi niya,
This is how to make spaghetti.